Srimati Techno offers placement assistance to its students for securing a great career start in their professional life.
Srimati Techno Institute has produced a lot of entrepreneurs in this field by making the students self-sufficient with theoretical and practical classes with the help of masters of this field. This course not only provides the students to be self-employed but also helps them to enjoy the credit of providing job opportunities